Hello, friends. I'm Alexius Varro, guiding you through the art of Stoic living. Today, we're delving into something vitally important: how cowardice can undermine our goals, and what we can do to set a firm, resilient path. Ready to unlock some ancient wisdom? Let's dive in. Think of a time when you felt unprepared or overwhelmed, perhaps in a crucial conversation where what began as a calm discussion exploded into a heated argument. Or midway through an academic year when you had to change your major and suddenly everything seemed out of control. Maybe you rushed to a sports game, caught off guard by how strong the opposing team was, and couldn't catch up with the score. These instances of chaos and stress point to a single problem: the absence of a plan. Seneca, one of the great Stoic philosophers, aptly said, "Those who live without a goal ahead always wander aimlessly." But if it is necessary to set a goal, then foundational principles also become essential. This isn't just philosophical jargon, it's practical advice for real-life situations. Without a clear, structured plan, we are like infantrymen without a commander, easily overwhelmed and defeated. To illustrate this further, Coach Bill Walsh, a legendary figure in American football, often shared his secrets to dealing with pre-game anxiety. He advised, "If you want to sleep the night before the game, let the first 25 plays run through your mind in advance." Planning ahead as deeply as possible means you step onto the field, or into any challenge, already clear about your first moves. Even if the game doesn't start in your favor, you're less likely to be thrown off, knowing your preparation grounds you. So let's break it down. The key issue is cowardice, manifesting as hesitation, indecision, and timidity when we face life's endeavors. Seneca emphasized, "We will find ourselves acting like this in any endeavor if we do not rid ourselves of everything that binds and restricts our soul." We've all had moments where we held back out of fear, unsure if we should invest our whole self into something because we didn't have a solid plan. The remedy? Preparation and planning. Not because every plan is perfect, far from it. It's about having a roadmap, a clear set of intentions that guide us. Preparation means anticipating obstacles, priming ourselves with solutions and actions before they're even needed. It's taking those first 25 plays and running them through our minds, solidifying our strategy. This preparation doesn't eliminate uncertainty or challenges, but equips us with a toolkit to handle them with calm and confidence. Take a moment now to reflect. What areas of your life have you been overly hesitant or fearful in? Where have you noticed chaos creep in because of a lack of structured planning? It could be your career, personal projects, relationships, or even everyday tasks. Recognizing these patterns is the first step towards change. Next, start with simple steps. Establish clear, achievable goals. Break these down into smaller, actionable tasks. Create a flexible plan that accommodates unexpected changes, acknowledging that while the map isn't the territory, it gives you a sense of direction. Remember, as Seneca noted, foundational principles are essential. Align your actions with your core values and priorities, which provides a strong foundation, anchoring you even in turbulent times. In summary, friends, the antidote to cowardice in goal setting lies in rigorous planning and preparation, supported by foundational principles. We all can rid ourselves of the fear that binds us, enabling us to invest fully in our endeavors. Embrace the wisdom of the Stoics to transform chaotic situations into opportunities for growth and achievement. I hope this exploration inspired you to incorporate these insights into your life. If you found value in today's discussion, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more practical Stoic wisdom. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear how you're applying these principles. Until next time, stay resilient and live with purpose.